able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
see, okay. So, what I was telling, I don't know, forget. Okay, okay. So, this formula, when you use very, what appropriate formula we need to use, you need to decide. So, I suggest please go with the match formula only. Okay, not any other formula. That is the good result you'll get. Not count a, it will not work, because suppose if you have the gaps in between, match formula other than match formula, count a will not work. Okay, match formula always powerful. That is sometimes, like, you get the report from someone, they would not know, like, how to find the last row in the Excel, right? Then automatically they assume that, like, data, continuous data, so count formula, count or count a, we can use it, but don't assume. Is it right all the time? So think of the worst case. What if is that a blank? That means you need to do manually delete the row. Then means manual intervention is there in the automation. One day or other, the report will be in the trouble. You will get the love letter from the client saying that your report is wrong. Whatever explanation we cannot give the explanation, because of the blank row, it is picking, incorrect. This is your job. You need to look at it. Okay, monthly you can record, every month we can, check that blanks. What if our time is not good? We don't, we assume blank is not there. We assume, okay, we reviewed, but unfortunately, client gave the blank while reviewing by mistake. So only, argument will happen, that's all. Exchange of mails. No, my report show when you sent, you gave the, a blank row created because of this incorrect numbers. Why all that? Fix proper formula, that's all. Problem will be solved. Okay, very important. Automation just not giving the formula all the time, it should work. Ensure that. That's why when I do, always I plan for the worst and fix the formula. Okay, so this, like, all numbers only, numbers, for proper formula will need to give. Okay, only match, appropriate formula for all this. Okay, any questions till now? The basic thing understood?
Sir, here,
Yeah.
so as I asked you, sir, for example, in the first column, column
Hmm.
E,
Hmm.
usually we do the sum for top rows, no, sir. For example, if you select for March, so
Ah.
from January to March, we'll select for the count, column
Ah.
E.
Ah.
But you're telling the sum for March to down. So
Ah.
usually we do the sum for
Hmm.
Jan, Feb, March. March, if you select, if I'm not wrong. My question is like, yeah, that
Ah.
should be the selection.
Sorry,
Yes, sir.
you want this total, right?
Yeah, yeah. Usually, some means so from top to till where we select. Till
Yeah, yeah.
March means
Yes. No, no, no. Actually, this formula from March to down, I am getting the total.
okay.
Now, see, at this point of time, so suppose the 6th March means 6th date, from March to December, I am giving the total.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I'll get the next question. This is the basic. Okay. Now, suppose I want January to March, or February to September, or April, May, June, second quarter. So July, what are the months specify? Okay. So I'll put here. So I can say month start, end, and date. Okay. So based on this, I need to get total. This is my step one by one. Will go. Okay. So I'll just format it. All but okay. Now this is the total. I need to get total for this combination. Okay. So I need to select start month, suppose first quarter, Jan and March. For the date is say second date. This is January, February, March, like this. Okay, again. Okay, some year date. Don't worry. Otherwise, otherwise division. Okay, don't confuse. So division. This is better. Okay. Now I say division 1. So division 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay. Now, so here I put division 1. What are the combination you can make it? Okay. Division say 3. That means what? Division 1 to division 3. So for the say June month, 1. So now 1, 2, 3. This is the total. What is the total? 120 manually. So I need to get this total here, 120. For between 3 divisions, June month, what is the total? Okay. Is it correct? Is this okay? Example. Otherwise, so I can say Sunday to okay. I'll do one thing. Okay, I'll give this one only. Okay. Division one only, but start date, suppose January to say March. Okay, so this is a division. So division for 1. Now we'll take this January to March, division 1 total. So this is normally you will get. So division 1, January to March. This is the total we need to get. So what is the total? 100. Now, any time in a change here, my total should change. One division, but for the period, what is the total? Suppose I can give here so 6 months, right? So 1, 6, 2020. That means what? Division 1, January to June, what is the total? So total is 210. So how we need to get? Normally what we do here, we need to do here sum, then this is the range, give the total. Immediately when you change the division or the start date, automatically manually you need to go and select this change this selection, but offset will give select the range based on the conditions, change the total, change the range and give the total. So how do you do it? Okay, what is the plan for this? Can you anyone tell me what is the plan for this? How to start this? My total should come based on the this selection. Offset is very beautiful formula to support sum, but sum is the main. This is a sum, but the selection is there, na? How to select will give the this will be done through offset. That is the purpose of offset. I think you got the clarity. What is the purpose of offset? My selection based on this. So division 1, 6 months. Select this. That is only the offset job. Remaining sum will do sum will pick up the range and do the sum. But range pickup is important. For that, offset will support. Now, tell me how to start. How to start? Able to hear me? Can you
Yes,
tell?
sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. How to start? Starting was very important. The starting logic when you get, you can do whatever you want. The start. How to start? Think. Because in the advanced Excel, this is the problem. We know the formula now. But how to begin with? From where you need to begin?
So keep the starting point as D5
Okay.
and then we can do the match formula to incorporate or do the rows and columns in height and width.
Okay. Any other answer? Any other answer? Please think. You, don't think about right or wrong. Okay. So that's what we need to do that. Otherwise we need to depend on someone. No, not like that. Yeah. Tell me. Come on, start.
No, the width what we have one, no, for that I think we have to make a. I'm just thinking. I don't know if it is right.
No.
So it currently,
Go ahead.
yeah. So currently it is only looking at one column, so that we have to make a dynamic to look at the, multiple columns.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now to start with, we know the offset formula, right? So do the offset formula first. Okay. Do here only. Okay. So very simple, right? Any formula, this is the logic. So as Danny said, we need to get the start point. Okay. Anyway, I don't think a reference because we don't copy this. Let it be. Okay. Now, so rows means row movement. So for this, so division only one, right? So one movement for the division. Then columns, how many column movement? January, only one movement. That means what? You started this is the destination 20, correct? For this 20, suppose if you want to check, you check also. See 20. This is This is a starting, this is a destination. Okay. Now come. Now height. Height only, height means row, right? Only one row we need to do total. So height. Then width. Width means what? How many rows? So how many columns? January to June. That means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? This is the starting point for all the formulas. Manual numbers will give and get the result first. Okay. Now see here. Now this is the selection. Selection happened like this. This is the result, just a selection. What is the selection? Start point, row movement 1, column movement 1, then height is 1, width is 6. This is what? Now let's check the result, whether correct or not. What you need to do? Sum. See here, total. So when you get the here total, so we get the total. That's correct. Formula is perfect now. The next step is, first thing is manual, whether working or not, whether you were able to align with the basic formula, understanding or not. Yes, definitely, because of numbers, hard code numbers. Then this formula we need to hard code it. That means supporting formulas, we need to get the number. Now how can I get the one here? Because one I need to get because of match formula. Okay, so suppose row 1 we get, right? How do you get 1 here? So this is a manual. Manual, so formula. So we need to get match. So row division, right? So this is a lookup, then lookup array. So match formula starting here. So for offset formula starting, match formula from one cell, we need to go and select it. Okay, so comma 0. See here, division 1, space is not there. See here, one got it. Now suppose I give division 4. Division, okay, division 4. See here, 4. That means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. This row movement you got it. Now column movement. Column movement. So manually for the division 1, I say 1, because this starting point, right? So again we need to go to match formula here. Match this starting point. Then look up here, 1 column, comma 0. See here, match is 1. Got it now. Now height, height, correct. Height. Anyway, height is only 1 because only one division I take. Between this also we can take, but as of now, 1 only. This is manual one. No formula for this. Now width. Width. How do you get the width here? So width, again match for this, between this, no? Match for this and this we need to get here. Suppose width is 6 here. Now first match we need to go end column, right? Simple. So all the once you feel get the logic, so don't depend on this, because starting point, suppose in between dates it will not work. Minus minus match again this. Okay, otherwise match already is there, we can take this also, column start match, this one. Okay, now we'll go separate formula. Here range is this, comma 0. So 5 will come, because when you say 6 minus 1, 5 will come, because one of these dates will be excluded. So we need to adjust manual adjustments 6. Okay, so this is how we need to do it. Now we incorporate this formula. Okay, now this is copy, this is a row, right? Go here in row place, put formula. Still I need to change here, then we can see the result every time. Division. So 210, after putting formula also we get the 210 here. Now so column is the formula here, so copy till equal sign and go to formula, in place of value incorporate the formula, right? Still measure is the same. Now height is no need, no formula. Width is this one. So simple, no? Advanced Excel. One by one, that's all. Change it. That's all. See here. Looks big formula. What is this? Breaks here. Okay. This is how we need to develop the formula. Now see here. Suppose I need to 3 months. Okay. So 1, 3, 2020. What is the total for the first quarter? Say here 100. No, for the division 10. Okay. So division 10. What is the total? 80. See here 80. Okay. So this is what you need to do. Here data validation here, list, and that's all. Here now change the division. What is the total of this? Now suppose 9 months I want. Okay, 1 9 2020. What is the total? 280. So for the division 8, 9 months till here, what is the total? 280. Got it? See, beautiful dashboard between the dates and division, we get the total. Now from the second quarter total I want. Second quarter, what is the total starting? Then 6. So 90. So division 8, second quarter. See here 90. How you get here? Dashboard you need to do in this sheet. No manual selection at all. Even this we can develop between division also. So division 4 to 6. What is anything, any combination we can do through offset. When you look at it, see big formula. But what is the big formula here? Nothing. This all breaks we put here. For this manual formula you need to give first. That's all. Now manual formula we can give here again. Offset. See, starting is this. Okay. So row moment is this. Column moment is this. Height is 1. Width is 6. Now this is a manual, right? So sum here, total same. See this simple formula. Because of this we have the big formula. That's all. Individually we know how the formula we are getting. This incorporated inside the formula. This is the how we need to think and develop one by one. First, what is the center of the formula? Manual formula. That's all. Then divide into this numbers into other supporting formulas. When you are happy with this, then keep pasting into the formula. That's all. Easy, simple. Anytime this is the steps. At the beginning I told.
Nice, Anand.
Beginning I told. Okay. First, identify what is required. Then, what is the main formula that you want? Then, main formula arguments. These are the arguments. Okay. So, offset. These are very simple. So these are all the arguments. These arguments, which formula can use to make it dynamic? Then handle separately, if as long as you understand, then copy paste here, that's all. Very simple, advanced Excel, very simple, but basic alphabets, you need to be very, very strong. How many alphabets now we learned? 100 plus. Imagine. That's like you will be very powerful than anyone in your area. That's all. Advanced Excel, no big deal. Okay. Break into pieces and join it. Adam Smith economics, Adam Smith concept. One big work, make into pieces and assemble it. That's all. What will be for fast? Everything will be dynamic. Division of labor he introduced. That's how division of formulas. Make it one. That's the advanced Excel, nothing else. Okay. Any questions? Please, again, those repeating, but I want to tell you, this is very, 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 almost all very powerful. Why I am stressing on this? This formula, no one using in your area. Formula, say offset address. When you go and ask offset formula, they one question, what is the offset? Okay, so offset address, very, very powerful. That formula, your area, nobody, most of the people will not know. So where the complexity, where people don't know, you learn that and implement. That's how you always stand out than others. Any questions? Understood this one? Little at least.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Anand.
Good, very good. Please implement it. Okay. Implement immediately. Don't postpone it. You will forget. Not only you, I'll also forget. Okay, but I need to relook at it. What I have done. So please practice. Very important. Okay. So I think I can stop here because other project when you start again, we need to do a lot of things. Pivot dynamic, all that I'll show you. Okay, pivot dynamic, chart dynamic, all that will show. Maybe this week, next week also we need to do the offset only. End to end, what all the projects where all I use this, I'll show entire thing. Okay, so that another 10 minutes there. So then we'll close it.
Sir, here.
Yeah, yes. Tell me.
Sir, for this, in the same scenario, so division 1 to 8, we can take start and end, and division 8, we can take the dates, right?
Yes,
like
definitely.
that.
Yes. Now height see only one. Now height we can make it dynamic.
Okay.
Suppose 1 to 8, how many divisions are there? 8. So I need to get 8 here. Very 8. How to get 8? So this is a manual. Okay. So 8. Okay. How to get 8? So match. So suppose 8. Okay. This is the match. I'll go here. Got it? Now, same thing, very simple copy paste, right? No secret in the advanced Excel actually. So, suppose division 1, I'll keep here. Okay. So, 1 second. Division 1. I'll delete it. Suppose division 1 start, I'll select that. Okay. So, I'll copy here. So here division 1. Okay. Now, so for this we need to add 1, right? Now this formula, instead of height, this 1, where is 1? Here. You need to understand where in your put. Okay. The 480, see here. How 480 here? Manually we need to do. So here, so division 1 to division 8 here. No, division 1 to division 8. 480. Oh, 1 second. What is thing here? Height. One second. I miss. Okay. Suppose if you want to do see here, starting is this. So this is height. This height is 8. So 480. What is how you get height? This is the starting 1 to 6. One to 6. Okay, let us see this thing. Evaluate. So suppose I'm not able to identify this. So click. We need to see here. Now see D5 4 8. Okay. Row movement 8. From there is okay. Oh, okay. So okay. This is starting. Okay, need to start here. Okay, I made the mistake here. Start and end. Okay. My God, total mistake. Okay, so.
The column only 1 we will take, sir. Column only 1.
How much I take? No. Column we need to take this 3 columns. Okay. So -6. This is wrong. Okay. So just give me a minute. Okay. Division 8. So start. So row column 4 means 1 2 3 4. Okay. Row 4. Row starting 8. This is wrong, no? This is starting is wrong. This formula you need to change. So this is the problem. Okay. Now, so row start and okay. Now we can see here. $720 should come. So starting row, the row 1, this thing, okay. Then height 8, width 3, 720. So here match. This I didn't copy paste. No, this one. World formula is there. There's a reason. Okay. How can I expect this? This one, I'll have to change the formula. No. This is the problem in the see. Now see here. Here division 8 up to division 8, 720. Now suppose to understand, suppose like I take only division 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. What is the total here? 200. See 200 here. This is the total you will get. Now so division 1 to 5. Okay. So division 1 to 5. See 1 to 5. Then from January to the same 6 months. Okay, 6 months 1 to 5, right? 6 months 1 to 5. See the total here 720. 1 to 6, sorry, 1 to 6. See here. Come on. Okay. 890. See the total 890. This is a range. So between divisions, between dates, we get the total here. Division end, division start, division. You will get confused otherwise. The start is the end. See here. Anyway, so that beautifully you need to select the range, na? Other than the offset formula, we cannot. Otherwise, we need to try to select manually. Okay. Now, especially for the presentation in the dashboard in the client, we can do this selection. Do whatever the selection you want. Okay. Just select, numbers will come automatically like that. So another 1 minute is there. So we'll see the few more examples tomorrow also.
Thank you, sir. Got it.
Okay. Please have the.
Thanks, Anand.
No problem. Have the idea in your area. Please do the different things. Don't sit idle. Try to explore the things. Please do it. Okay. It will give.
Sir.
Maybe 6 months. That's all. You will be, develop good projects. Yes. Yeah. Somebody is telling something. I'll share this file. So please practice it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So identify the main formula, manual formula to get the result, then develop the formula. All the formula, all the projects. Only this is the process we need to do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so we'll see tomorrow. So we'll call will get cancel. No, disconnect. Under.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.